Hello, today we're going to be touring Unit 403 at 851 Van Ness Avenue. You walk into this beautiful space with an updated kitchen that's open to a fantastic living room. The kitchen has been updated with stone counters. You have a double sink, gas range, microwave, beautiful stainless refrigerator, and it is open to this fantastic space. You have wood floors, double pane windows. You are located in the heart of the city. Lots of natural light. Here's looking towards the kitchen and front door area, and your view from the living room. This unit is very quiet and it is immaculate. Here's the first bedroom here. There are nice shutters. You have tons of natural light, direct access to a private balcony. Let's step outside here. Look at this view. This is just a fantastic view of the city. You're walking distance to many great restaurants, coffee houses, public transportation. Okay, here is one full bath. You have stone countertops, tub and shower combined, lots of storage space, very clean bathroom and unit altogether. Nice big closet here with plenty of storage space. Okay, so here we are back in the living room, and the second bedroom is located on the other side. You also have a second full bath here. Similar decor, tub and shower combined. You also have private stackable washing machines. Okay, here's the second bedroom, located on opposite ends. Gives you a little more privacy here. They're pretty equal in size. And here's the view from this bedroom as well. You also have a nice closet in here that goes all the way back there. Okay, if you're interested in this unit, please go to RentalsinSF.com. Thanks for watching.